Hello everyone, great to have your company yet again on Kalkine TV. Sage here, you're watching the Buzzing Trends. Now today we'll discuss 10 ASX-listed dividend stocks with over 7% yield. Income investors buy shares mainly for dividends on offer, which provide a steady source of income, and income investing has picked up all the more as interest rates offered by banks offer lower returns. So investors are always on the hunt for stocks with attractive dividend yields. And the dividend yield is a financial ratio that reveals how much a firm pays out in dividends every year relative to its share price. So on this note, let's discuss 10 ASX-listed dividend stocks with over 7% yield as of 22nd of April 2022. First up, Magellan Financial Group is an Australian investment manager focusing on global equities and global listed infrastructure. In the half-year report for the 2022 financial year, Magellan's board declared a partially franked interim dividend of 110.1 cents per share. This represents a 13.4% fall from the 97.1 cents announced in the prior comparable period. And Magellan Financial Group has a dividend yield of 14.35%. The stock is trading at 14 Australian dollars 89 cents, down by 2.36%. Next, Fortescue Metals Group is a global iron ore miner. It is engaged in the exploration, development, production, processing and sale of iron ore. In the first half of financial year 2022, the company paid an interim dividend of 86 cents per share. It represents a 70% payout of the first half net profit after tax. Fortescue Metals Group carries a dividend yield of 14%. The stock is trading at $20 Australian 12 cents, up by 1.82%. Next is ASX-listed dividend stock Platinum Asset Management, which is an Australia-based investment manager which specialises in managing international equities. The company has forked out 22 cents per share in fully franked dividends over the past year, and Platinum Asset Management's dividend yield sits at 11.86%. The stock's trading at 1.78 or $1.78 Australian, down by 1.66%. Moving on to the next. Yancoal Australia is into the production of metallurgical and thermal coal required for usage in the steel and power generation industries. In its 2021 financial results, the company's board declared a 2021 total dividend allocation of 930 million Australian dollars, with 5 cents per share as a final dividend and 2.04 cents per share as a special dividend. Yancoal Australia has a dividend yield of 10.44%, and the stock's trading at $5 Australian 2 cents, up by 2.42%. Next up, BHP Group is a global resources company with key operations as an iron ore miner and oil player. It declared a record dividend in the first half of the financial year 2022 and announced an interim dividend of $1.50 US per share, up from just $1.01 US a share declared a year ago. BHP Group has a dividend yield of 9.89%. The stock's trading at 46 Australian dollars 20 cents, up by 1.18%. Next, Rio Tinto Group is an Anglo-Australian multinational company which is the world's second largest metals and mining corporation. It announced the highest ever dividend to its shareholders in its half-yearly report for the financial year 2022, and the company's board declared a $16.8 billion US full-year dividend equivalent to $1.04 US per share. Sorry, that's 1.04 US cents per share and 79% of underlying earnings. Now, Rio Tinto has a dividend yield of 9.56%, and the stock is trading at 109 Australian dollars, up by 0.22%. And the next one is Pendle Group, is an Australian company engaged in the provision of investment management services. The company's last two dividends totaled 42 cents per share. It was an increase on the 37 cents per share Pendle forked out in 2020. And Pendle Group has a dividend yield of 7.81%. The stock's trading at $5 Australian dollars and 8 cents, down by 2.12%. Next, ASX-listed dividend stock is IVE Group. This is engaged in the marketing, communications and print businesses in Australia, and in its financial results for the 6 months ended 31st December 2021, it has declared an interim dividend of 8.5 cents per share, fully franked, and IVE Group has a dividend yield of 7.60%. The stock's trading at $1.96 Australian, down by 2.25%. Super Retail Group's also on the list today. This is an Australia-based company which owns and operates a portfolio of retail brands across Australia. In its financial results for the first half of the financial year 2021, the company announced a fully franked 27-cent interim dividend, down from 33 cents. Now, Super Retail Group has a dividend yield of 7.58%, and the stock's trading at $10.46, down by 2.06%. And the last ASX-listed dividend stock on our list is Pendle Global, which is a mining services company which is engaged in providing exploration and production drilling services to its mining clients. And Pendle Global is a regular dividend-paying company with a dividend yield of 7.28%. The stock's trading at 70 cents, down by 0.70% today. We'll be back with our Buzzing Trends show tomorrow to share the latest market insights with you. Till then, stay safe and stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more stock, business and economy-related hot trends. Sage signing off.